Hello, my name is Michiel Brom. I'm one of the directors of Brom Mechatronics in the Netherlands, and we are the builder of the copper flower bulb machine line to put bulb flowers into pots. At Brom Mechatronics, we design, develop and produce custom-made machines and devices. One of our main competencies is robot technology. We design the robot that meets the specifications at hand. We also develop and build the complete machine around these robots. For copper flower bulbs, we developed a production line for planting bulbs in pots with 4 Delta robots, including direct drive torque motors from Tecnotion. Automation of the flower bulb production really increases productivity at our customer, and the torque motors contribute significantly to this improvement. The positioning of the flower bulbs is very important. Here the motor plays an important role for guaranteed continuous precision, long life and minimum maintenance. The torque motors are selected in an extensive design process where we have closely worked with Tecnotion applications engineers. Tecnotion really helped with their expertise of movement profiles and the parameters that influence the robot, precision and overall performance.
Hello, my name is Peter Sanders. I'm Technical Sales Manager for North Europe at Tecnotion. The torque motors are directly mounted into the arm because they do not need any mechanical transmissions like an expensive gearbox. Also, our direct drive motors do not require any maintenance because they do not have any wear and tear between elements. This guarantees uptime, which results in a better return of investment for the end customer.
Tecnotion really helped us with the start of the design of the Delta robots. They specified the possibilities that they have with their motors. So we had a partner that we could ask the inside of the motor and what the possibilities really are. And they helped us during the development with every step that we made.